I put my ethnic community in the first place. It's goal for myself to strive even now and in the future. My ambition, my wish to have is to become a successful person. I've been powerful want to be able to spread out meaningful and good messages for society in general and my community in particular to set a good example for the rest, for to not children or for those who have not been able to manage on their own and get rid of obstacles in life to help them have confidence to reach a bright future. I want to inspire and motivate the children of our ethnic group, try to help them a little and change the thinking apparent in old and outdated concepts. I know that right now I have nothing in my hand. I'm still a student at a high school. All big and difficult challenges are still available there, but to me, nothing is impossible. I have enough confidence, strong will, and great courage to set a goal and do it. Whether success comes sooner or later, I'm sure that I will get down because I believe in myself.
Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind.
I always try every day, constantly study and practice to perfect develop myself as much as possible every day in the most comprehensive way.
That's when